Hey guys, Phoenix Kid here, and today we're going to be doing some Disney Infinity. We are going to make our very own toy box. So as you can see here, I have Mickey Mouse, and also you can see that this toy box so far is empty and it has nothing in it. So I think, and I'm playing on the iPad right now. So I think we will start off with maybe some terrain. Here we go. Here's a tip, but most of you probably already know this, that if you want to make a pretty big world, I would definitely suggest a large terrain block, because that will always help. So maybe I set 4 of those there, and there, and no, actually, yeah, like that. So that's our toolbox so far. Nothing in it, just terrain. So we could, what we got here? We could maybe put a couple buildings in. I think I will start off with, let's try and make a maze today. Can we do that? Do we have the mage hedges? Where's the terrain blocks? I'm not exactly the best at this game, don't have that many stuff. Where is it? Nothing about the plants. No, we don't have it. But what we could do is probably, I think we might start off with a big crazy building. So I'll start off with a brick building. Right there, as you can see. There it is, right there. And just make it extremely tall. I'd say I make these buildings about 3 buildings high. That even makes sense. There we go. Make another one. Taller gameplay, a couple gameplay things on that. Can't wait to see it. Anyway, back to this. Make it 3 stories high, or 3 buildings high. That, I think, is the tallest building we have so far. This office tower. No, I've heard this is pretty big. Yeah, that's pretty tall. This will be very tall. There we go. I think that's all I'm going to put just in there. I wouldn't say it's the best, but it is pretty cool. I'll show you it from the ground view. Oh, where am I? There I am. Hang on a second. I'll just get to it. I'm just going to show you guys exactly what it looks like from back here. There we go. That's pretty tall. That actually inspires me to put more around here to make it a little circle, sort of like a little mini city. So maybe I'll do that. Oops. Press the wrong button. Here we go. Here we go. Make another one. And make another one. There we go. So that's looking pretty cool so far. Next, I think we might get a short one of these, all the way down there. Cool. And I'm back, and I just finished my city. It's very small. As you can see, there's Carl Fredricksen's house there because, you know, if you're going to make a city, you're going to make Carl Fredricksen's house there. So obviously I've put some trees in. Right there, a lamppost. Actually, I was thinking I should have done this. Change the terrain. I didn't exactly know which one to do. I really like this one, no, not that one. This one's a pretty good one. This is from The Incredibles. So I'll do that one. And for the trees, I changed a couple of trees, but I'll make it look like the Metro City trees. So it makes you think you're in the city. So this is basically just what it looks like. It's very small. Obviously here's the road. I didn't exactly put the road in very good. I don't have intersections, so yeah. I thought I might put in the Emu Founder statue, fountain in, some trees, traffic lights, Carl Fredricksen's house, and so yeah, that's pretty much it. So this isn't just going to be one video, I'm going to keep adding to this toy box. But, what happened? Too many active sessions, Disney Plus. Okay. That's a little weird. Alrighty then. Well, I'll get that sorted later. But, as you can see, this is, well, that's my toy box. And I will get this issue sorted later on, but as you can see, that's what my toy box looks like so far. So, if you guys want to, you guys can choose just exactly what you want in the next toy box. So, leave a comment down below saying maybe you want a racetrack or some houses or something like that, or a maze. I'll figure out how to get those hedges. Just leave a comment down below in the comment section for me. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.